Another thing we're going to be talking about is word order. So in German, word order actually has much more flexibility than in English. And there's also a lot less use of commas. So when we looked at the weather forecast for the map on the previous slide, we could see how the weather was in different countries, right? So for example, if it's cold in Germany, we can just say es ist kalt. But if we're giving the weather forecast and we need to talk about where it's cold, then we can say es ist kalt in Deutschland. Also, we can say in Deutschland ist es kalt. We can say it's cold in Germany, or in Germany it's cold. But in German, when we switch it around and start with the place, we have to switch the verb and the subject. In this case, the verb is ist and the subject is es. So we've got to flip it around. It's because the conjugated verb always has to be in the second position. So in Deutschland ist es kalt, not in Deutschland es ist kalt. That's what you want to say. That's what you would think as an English speaker. You would think it in that order. But in German, you have to say, in Germany, is it cold? And that's a statement. In Deutschland ist es kalt. And so that's a little bit difference in syntax or word order. That's what that's called. But the words are all still there. All the same words that you know very well are all still there, just a little out of order. So again, es ist kalt in Deutschland oder in Deutschland ist es kalt. So for the next two examples, es ist sonnig and es regnet, I want you to, on the slide, go ahead and type in the two ways that you could do that. Saying, for example, it is sunny in Spain, or in Spain it is sunny. And then, of course, it's raining in England, or in England it's raining. So go ahead and think about that and talk about it, and then we will revisit.